Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Quinn with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install a floor transition piece. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, you will need a seaming strip, nails to match, and a hammer. So what we're going to do is we have a laminate flooring transitioning into a carpet flooring. We're going to take our seaming strip, put it to where our nails are going to go through the carpet and not the laminate. So we'll put our nail into place, now I didn't drive it too deep to where it bends our seaming strip. That way we can go ahead and move it where we need to and then tack it up a little bit later just to tighten it so that way you're not going to stub your nail or rip a sock on it. Now that we have the seaming strip where we want it to go, you can go ahead and tighten up your other nail. After you have your first two nails in place, go ahead and finish it off. I'm Joshua Quinn with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.